Welcome back MH Car Review, the channel where we go beyond the ordinary and bring you the most jaw-dropping machines money can buy. Today, we are doing something absolutely extraordinary. We are sitting down with a vehicle that does not just push boundaries, it completely obliterates them. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2026 ROLS-ROLER Armored Luxury Motorhome, and trust me, nothing you have seen before has prepared you for this. Let us start with what hits you first: the sheer presence of this machine. Rolling in at over 45 feet long and weighing north of 30,000 pounds, this motorhome commands every road it touches. The exterior is finished in an exclusive olive gold metallic paint, a color that shifts between deep army green and warm champagne gold depending on the angle of the light. That finish alone costs more than most family cars. Running along the entire body is a bold gold graphic stripe that carries the ROLS-ROLER name in large, confident lettering. This is not a vehicle trying to be subtle. This is a statement. Up front, you get a waterfall chrome grille that draws instant comparisons to the world's most prestigious sedans, flanked by quad LED headlights with striking blue accent lighting. The underbody is lined with RGB LED strips that glow blue at night, giving the impression that this 30-ton beast is floating just above the ground. The front bumper is reinforced chrome, wide and muscular, while the side mirrors are massive and power-folding. Every panel gap is laser-precise, every line deliberate. 3 tandem rear axles carry 6 massive chrome alloy wheels, each one polished to a mirror finish supporting the full weight of the living space behind. Now step inside, and prepare yourself. The moment those armored entry doors swing open and you walk through, everything changes. The interior of the 2026 ROLS-ROLER is not a motorhome. It is a 5-star penthouse suite on wheels. The main living area is finished in hand-stitched full-grain cream leather with gold accent stitching. Overhead, a custom crystal chandelier hangs from a backlit ceiling panel, casting warm, golden light across the entire space. The flooring is real hardwood, heated, and softer underfoot than you would expect in something built for the road. The lounge seats up to 6 people comfortably on a wraparound sectional sofa. Facing it is a 75-inch 8K display panel, flush-mounted into a walnut veneer wall with integrated surround sound from a Burmester audio system. Yes, the same brand used in Porsche and Mercedes-Maybach. The panoramic armored windows on both sides flood the space with natural light while offering complete ballistic protection. Window shades are motorized and controlled from a central iPad-integrated smart system that also manages climate, lighting, privacy glass, and entertainment throughout the entire vehicle. The master bedroom sits at the rear and runs the full width of the vehicle. A king-size bed dominates the space, dressed in Egyptian cotton sheets and memory foam mattress. The bedroom features floor-to-ceiling fitted wardrobes, a mirrored ceiling panel, and ambient lighting that adjusts from bright daylight to a deep romantic amber at the touch of a button. The armored windows here feature privacy glass that goes completely black on command. Adjacent to the bedroom is a full ensuite bathroom with Italian marble walls and floor, a frameless rain shower, gold-plated Grohe fixtures, and a vessel basin sink. This bathroom outclasses most luxury hotel rooms. Moving forward, you reach the fully equipped kitchen, and this is where you realize this vehicle was designed with absolutely no compromises. The countertops are solid Calacatta marble. Appliances are professional-grade stainless steel induction cooktop, convection microwave oven, 2-door refrigerator with separate wine cooler, and a built-in espresso machine. The cabinetry is custom lacquered in gloss white with brushed gold hardware. There is even a hidden pantry cabinet that extends outward when the vehicle is parked. Every surface, every fitting, every material feels like it belongs in a Mayfair penthouse rather than a vehicle. Now let us talk performance. Under the hood of this beast sits a twin-turbocharged 15-liter inline-6 diesel engine producing 600 horsepower and a monstrous 2,200 Nm of torque. Power is sent through a 12-speed Allison automatic transmission and distributed across all 3 rear axles through an advanced torque management system. Despite weighing what it does, this motorhome pulls from a standstill with surprising confidence, reaching highway speeds smoothly and holding them effortlessly. An air suspension system with dynamic load leveling keeps the ride isolated and composed. You feel none of the road inside. The armoring package adds run-flat tires that can continue for 80 kilometers after a complete blowout, and the fuel tank carries 1,200 liters, giving it an extraordinary operational range. Safety is taken seriously here in every sense of the word. The entire passenger compartment is wrapped in ballistic-grade steel and composite armoring rated to CEN BR6 standard that is protection against high-powered rifle rounds. Blast-resistant floor plating, armored fuel tank, and automatic fire suppression system come standard. There is an onboard communications suite including satellite internet, encrypted radio, and a 72-hour independent power supply through lithium battery banks paired with a diesel generator. This vehicle was built to operate autonomously, comfortably, and safely in virtually any environment on Earth. So what does all of this cost? The base price for the 2026 ROLS-ROLER Armored Luxury Motorhome starts at $5 million. That is before customization. Buyers can specify interior materials, armor rating, powertrain configuration, technology packages, and bespoke exterior colors with fully custom builds regularly reaching $7 to $8 million. Deliveries are handled through private showrooms in Dubai, Geneva, and Los Angeles, with a 24-month build time for bespoke orders. Is it worth it? If you are the kind of person asking that question, you are probably not the target customer. This vehicle exists for heads of state, royalty, entertainment industry legends, and billionaires who refuse to compromise comfort for security or security for comfort. It is, without any question, the most extraordinary motorhome ever created and one of the most remarkable vehicles in the world. That is it for today here on MH Car Review. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another video. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Would you take the ROLS-ROLER over a private jet? Until next time, stay hungry for greatness.